Welcome to my channel Spanish Made Easy by Purvi. So in my previous video we have learnt about how to tell the timings in Spanish, then what are some useful time phrases in Spanish. So in this video we will learn something जिसमें बहुत लोगों को बहुत सारे doubts आ जाते हैं. It is very important topic in Spanish, that is direct object. So before going to the direct object, please watch my video till the end and do not forget to subscribe it. So let's start with the video. So what are direct objects, or say objeto directo in español? Direct objects are the objects that receives the direct action from the verb. But in simple sense, if you will ask me what are direct objects answers two questions. That is, what and whom. For example, if I take this sentence, cat hit the ball. So what did it hit? What? So what did it hit? It hit the ball, right? So ball is the direct object here. Now we will take example 2. For example, Jack hit Jill. Jack hit Jill. Whom did he hit? Jill. Whom did he hit? So Jack hit Jill. So Jack hit whom? Jill. So Jill is the direct object. So always remember, direct object answers two questions in a sentence. That is what and whom. So always it is desirable to change the name of the direct object or to change the direct object with the name of a pronoun. For example, Tina brought the chocolates. She took the chocolates home and gave the chocolates to her brother. Tina brought the chocolates. What did she brought? Chocolate. So here chocolate is a direct object. Now this direct object will be changed with the name of a pronoun. Chocolates, chocolates, chocolates. 3 times in a sentence chocolates has been repeated. Chocolates को हम लोग 3 बार repeat कर रहे हैं. अब इस chocolate को we will change with the name of a pronoun. What is that? Tina brought the chocolates. She took them home and gave them to her brother. This is how we write in English, and this is how we write in Spanish. Now, what direct objects do we use in a sentence? Or what are direct objects? English, direct objects are me, you, her, it, us, them. But in Spanish, we use the same as singular and plural. So first person singular, that is referred to as me or I, me. First person singular is me. For second person in direct object, we will use te. For example, I love you. When I say I love you, I would use te amo. Te amo, it means I love you. Always remember one thing, that you have to use direct objects before the verb. Te amo. Third person masculine, like masculine is like him or it, we will use lo. And for the feminine third person, we will use la, that is her. For the plural, first person plural, that is we use nos. Second person plural, we use os. Third person masculine, we use los. And third person feminine, we use las. Are the direct objects in Spanish that we use. So always remember, whenever you are using the direct object, you use it before the conjugated verb. Let us see an example how to use the direct object before the conjugated verbs. Here is an example. Bebo means I drink. It is first person singular. Bebo, I drink. Bebo el agua. It means I drink water. What I drink? I drink water. So water is a direct object here. Lo bebo. Now this water is changed into it. I drink it. In English how we say I drink it. So I drink it, but water is masculine. So we have used the masculine pronoun here. So it's lo bebo. Just example number 2. Tengo. Tengo means I have. Yo tengo la pluma. I have the pen. Yo tengo la pluma. So here what I have? What? La pluma. La pluma. What I have. So this is direct object. The pen is the direct object. So this la pluma will be changed into la. Because pluma is changed into la. Because it is a third person feminine. Feminine, we use la. I have it. For it, third person feminine is la. So this is la. Just remember one thing. The subject of the sentence, if it changes, it doesn't matter. It depends on the pronoun and the objects, the direct objects. What kind of a direct object is it? Is it the second person? Is it the third person? Is it masculine or is it feminine? The subject changes, it doesn't matter. For example, if I say Juan tiene la pluma or Maria tiene la pluma, the answer when the direct object has been changed remains the same. Maria la tiene, Juan la tiene. So it doesn't matter whether the subject of a sentence is changing. It just depends on the direct objects. What kind of the object are there in the sentence. So now direct objects can be a person, can be a thing. So now we will see direct object in a form of a person. I know you. I know you. I know you. You is a person right here. Whom? Whom do I know? I know you. Te conozco. Te conozco. Laura sees her. Laura sees her. Her is a direct object. Here you is a direct object. Laura la ve. So Laura la ve. This is how we change direct object with respect to the person. So we will see a few more examples of the direct objects. Mira come dos tortillas. Mira come dos tortillas. What is she eating? She is eating dos tortillas. These are plural and tortillas are feminine. So tortillas are feminine plural. So we will use Mira las come. Seetal tiene 3 libros. What does she has? She has 3 libros. So 3 libros are direct objects. So how to change it? Seetal los tiene. How come los and how come las? Because tortillas, that is the direct object. Direct object, here it is feminine and here it is masculine. So we will change into las and los.